Hello ladies and gents, welcome back to my channel. We're back at it. Okay, yep, I almost just knocked over my hot curling iron, so that's how my day is going. This is a quick beat video, which means I'm showing you guys the eye and the lip look, and I will have my other quick beat videos linked down below. They're shorter tutorials because I know not everyone wants to spend 20 minutes watching a makeup tutorial, so I try and do ones that are a little bit shorter for you guys. I kind of just wanted to do an all-over kind of gold, bronzy, you know, kind of look like that. And I actually am really feeling this look. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this to work tomorrow because I'm about it. The foundation or like skin that I have on, that sounds really weird. My foundation that I have on right now and my kind of foundation routine is the same that I've done in like my past 3 or so videos. So I didn't want to really kind of refilm that just because you guys have seen that before. So if you want to see how I got this face look, then I will link those videos to where you can see kind of the foundation and bronzer and highlighter and all that kind of stuff that I used on my face today. So I like to keep my intros relatively short, so if you are interested in seeing how to get this look, then just keep watching. So my eyes are already primed and I'm going to be dipping into my Anastasia Sultry palette and taking that shadow in the shade Birch with my Morphe M505 brush. I'm going to focus this in that upper transition and crease area. I'm going to make sure that I blend this all the way through that inner corner to the outer corner, and then I slightly wing the shadows out once I get to the outer corner. From that same palette, I'm taking the shade Dystopian with my Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going to focus this tighter in the crease. I'm not bringing this shade up as far as I did with the Birch shade. I want this shadow to stay below that shade, and I'm going to focus this in the deepest part of my crease to just enhance the definition in that area. It's okay if this goes onto the lid because we're going to cover it up anyways, but I just want to really focus that I get it in that crease and that I blend the crease area out so that all the shadows blend nicely together. Now I'm taking the shade Steampunk with my JH41 brush. This is such a beautiful shadow, and I forgot that I wanted to wet this shadow before I put it on, so this is how it applies dry without any kind of Fix Plus or anything like that. And then I'm going to spray my brush with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist here, and you'll see how it really just kind of goes on a lot more foiled and shimmery, and I love this shade. It is such a beautiful true gold shade. I'm just going to take some tape and put this on the back of my hand just to get some of that stickiness off, and then I'm going to line this up on my outer corner, and taking that shade Dystopian again, I'm going to do a wing with this. You can make this as thick or as thin as you want. I kind of just wanted like an everyday wing, so I'm just going to buff this onto that lash line to smoke it out. This is going to give that nice liner definition, but it's just going to be a little bit softer than regular liner, and since we're using a brown shade, it's going to be a little bit lighter as well. Now I'm just throwing on a quick coat of mascara to prep my lashes for falsies. This is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. And then for false lashes today, I will be using my Chic Cosmetic lashes in the style Queen. These are so beautiful for natural glam looks like this. As you can see, they just kind of add a little bit extra volume and fullness to your lashes. They're just so pretty. So I just wanted to show you guys what this look looks like with nothing on the lower lashes. It still looks really pretty and kind of a little bit more open, but I wanted to add something to the lower lash line. So I'm going to be lining my lower waterline with my Morphe eyeliner in the shade Richie. This is just a nice dark brown liner. It has been my go-to for a couple of months now, just because it still adds definition, but it's just not as harsh as a black liner. And then once I have that on, I'm going to blend out that shade Dystopian, which is what we used to do the wing liner with on the top of the lid. I'm going to use that to push that up against that lower lash line, and then I'm going to blend that out with the Birch shade that we used in the very beginning. Of course, you can't forget the lower lash mascara. This makes all the difference, and every now and then I forget to do this and I literally kick myself because I swear it just really completes that lower lash line area. Now I'm dipping into my Modern Renaissance palette. I'm taking that shade Primavera right there just because it's a little bit of a lighter gold compared to the Steampunk shade. Geez, I cannot speak today. What's new? So I'm just focusing this on that brow bone and that inner corner just to reincorporate a little bit of a lighter gold into this look and to help highlight it. And then I just realized I wanted my inner corner to be a little bit brighter, so I'm just dipping back into my Sultry palette. I'm taking the shade Pearl, which is one of my all-time favorite highlight shades. It is just gorgeous. Now for my lips, I'm using my Morphe lip liner in the shade Bite Me, and then I'm going to use my Chic Cosmetics gloss in the shade Chocolate. This has been my go-to lately. It is just so pigmented. You can see one swipe there just gives so much color, and it's super shiny and not sticky, which I love. Alright, so this completes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I'm actually really feeling it. I'm all about the warm tones. If you have seen any of my videos on my channel, you know that I ride or die for warm tones. I'm also obsessed with this lip gloss from Chic Cosmetics. It's just so lightweight and I'm all about those nude shades. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, you already know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell button so you get notified when I upload. I wanted to do kind of like a quicker eye makeup tutorial, something that was simple but still gives some definition. Let me know down below what you thought of this look or what kinds of videos you want to see from me next. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.